You guys ready for another update? I've actually uploaded, at the time of filming, I've uploaded two and I've gotten some comments. We're gonna walk in there for a moment. We did take a break for about 4 hours, 3 hours or so. Float the river near here, the Rogue River in Oregon. But let's go in and see what has been going on. My brother stayed behind, did a little bit of work. Let's see. All the insulation is in and the wiring is in pretty much completely. Now we did use these underground ones here, just nice and convenient, so we didn't go all the way around, because I don't know if there's tons of grommets everywhere. We did mark them, so there's a thing there, but very convenient to have that. So looks like we put in a decent amount, 5 wires through it. So he did mark on the floor where things are going to go. You see these lines here? So this is where one chest goes, as you can see here. Boom. And then this open area means this is kind of a closet section. And then another chest goes out to over to here, which means this is a very small storage section. And then this chest, if you follow this line, and I'm going to show you the designs where he did. So we'll show you kind of if the floor doesn't really fit everything. So I think he's in there at the computer, but there's a storage area there. And then this is a big storage area. So this is where the two chests kind of corner up. Well, assuming right there looks like there's some wood or something like that, metal. But this is where I'll put stuff, a lot of stuff, including the suitcase. And then it looks like, and then keep in mind, these chests are up higher to go above this, so therefore there's storage underneath them. It goes over to here, then we've got furnace, I guess you wrote FR, oh no, this is fridge, and then FU, furnace. So, and then open area, this will all be open. And this will be the convertible bed chair. And then we've got the desk. Let's go look at since there hasn't been too much visual change, that's actually where they're going to be sitting, up above the tool chest. So we're about ready to do this. Actually, of note, this should be interesting. How hot is it in here? That's how hot it is in here. It is 110 because the air conditioning is off. So that seems hot, but to be honest, it was forecasted to be 108 today. So that's just kind of what it is outside. So there you go. We did a bunch of wiring late last night. Did all the trailer wiring. That was quite a bit. Actually cut myself. First time using a Band-Aid in 10 years. Usually I just like paper towel, duct tape. It's not a big deal. It's not a big cut. I heal pretty quickly. Not a big deal. But this one was deep. Did not hurt at all, but it's deep. Anyways, you've seen some of the YouTube videos of me kayaking, perhaps. It was an eventful day. Side note. Nice flowers. Okay, yes. The genius's domain here. Let's see. The big screen. Oh, there's the Airstream. The Floorplan. And then he'll do stuff like this and just like, here's all the information I need. And converts that to this.
So while you guys were on the river, I got the racks for the toolboxes designed. That's these pieces here. This is the chunk for the wheel well. It's got to be missing.
The chunk of the wheel well is missing?
The box has got to be truncated for the wheel well right there.
Okay.
So this is the edge of the toolbox.
Gotcha.
This is the frame.
Okay.
I take the corners out.
Looking down, yep.
opposite corner on this box over here.
So just very precise measurement. So then you go in there and you just make a cut because
Yeah,
you know
here's
exactly how.
My cut list for all the pieces.
Even a cut list. Nice.
And then the overall view, so we know where to place things in the electrical.
Oh yeah, that was the other day, putting in electrical. Here's a fan, a DC need over there, and two DC lights, and then another DC light here, and then one AC light because he had this bar handy. So it's nice if you're in shore power, you can use that light.
Here's our cross section, so we can see if the boxes and the cubes fit.
Yep. Cube system. These things right here. Up top.
But then, the real exciting stuff.
There's the car. What's the yellow thing around it?
Oh, it's just some note telling me I need to fix something.
Okay. This is Autodesk. I thought it was AutoCAD. What's the difference between AutoCAD and Desk?
Autodesk is who writes the software. This is AutoCAD, the engine that runs most of their programs.
Oh, okay.
You need to go one place on those boxes and hook them to the side of the trailer still, I think.
So this is where the wheels would normally be, but those are the holes. Kind of measure those out so that we can use those spaces to get them solidified. Oh, so you're thinking this is good on the desk?
Yeah, I tried different things, and this is where I got the most access to where you're going to be able to put your legs in there a little bit. Have this kind of come out so you can have your mouse here close to you. And then your chair will fit right in here, and you can spin around and get out.
Yeah.
You've still got plenty of room to move around a little bit to adjust your position.
Nice. Okay. That works.
And
I could still see it from bed almost with a 40-inch monitor.
And so we still have...
Oh yeah, how much? 40 inches. I could get a bed, convertible chair bed.
Yeah, the thing is, you have to check is how far it'll stick out though. If it's like 40 inches.
It's 74 inches.
But I mean, just when you're sitting as a chair.
Oh.
You know, if it's like gonna be sticking out here where you're.
Well, it needs to be able to go out 74 inches. So. Also, probably of interest is I've got a photo shoot that I have to do in St. George, Utah. So I bought a ticket. They're like, convinced me it was a good, smart idea to buy a ticket so that we weren't rushing this. So I got a few more days to complete it. So I'll be gone for roughly, today's Saturday. So on Wednesday afternoon, I leave. Thursday, Friday night, I get back. So a little over 2 days, I'll be gone. So I think they said they were going to keep working on it, which is very nice. Okay, there we go. That's the day's update. We still got a few more days, and then I'll be gone for 2 days, and there'll be a big update at the end.